this is how you control the exposure. All right, the iris is what controls the amount of light that gets manipulated into and out of the camera. Okay, so what do we do to do that? Well, first of all, we had to make sure it's in manual. It should be in manual. Like I said, to get manual and auto, there's a couple different ways. One has full auto. If you press full auto, hold down, it should shift. Also for iris, there's an iris A/M, auto manual. We want it in manual, press it down. Okay, that just tells the camera, oh, I'm in manual, I'm in auto. We want to be in manual. Okay, and like I said, it should all show up on the bottom right hand corner. You should see a number that says something like, for example, 6200K, 1/60th, f like 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, whatever. So whatever the setting may be. Mine, what I'm looking at is 5.6 because that's the appropriate thing right now. And then once we know it's in manual, where we did the auto white balance, there's like a little knob here that goes back and forth, and that manipulates. And when you turn it one way or another, you'll start seeing things get brighter and darker. This is called the iris. The iris is what manipulates the amount of light into and out of the camera. So that's also very important to understand. You don't want things too dark. You don't want things overblown and too bright. That's what does that.